In front of me is HUAWEI Y6 from 2019, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all you have to open the settings, then go to home screen and wallpaper, and now just pick themes or wallpaper. I will choose wallpaper album, tap on allow to give all needed permissions, and here you've got options that you can apply. Also you can pick something from your own gallery, but let me choose for example this picture. And click on confirmation mark to apply this wallpaper. Finally decide if you want it to cover your home screen only, also your lock screen, or both of them. I will pick both. And as you can see, from now on you've got brand new wallpaper on both your home screen and also your lock screen. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.